Welcome to a DK Custom Products video. I'm Dwayne and this is Kevin. And recently Kevin had some work done by J&T V-Twin Repair and notably Jamie. He's a master tech, and recently we've been giving you guys some helpful tech tips, and we got another one for you guys here today.
This is another video about plastic being inside a hot Harley-Davidson engine.
That's right.
So let's take a look at what Jamie has to say here.
The most critical thing you can do in the cam chest of these motors is get the junk stock bearing out of them. I'm going to show you the difference, and I'm going to show you why. This is your factory bearing. You'll notice that there is half the bearings and a plastic collar. It's a very cheap bearing. They're notorious for breaking. They just do not offer the support for a cam. These always come out and go in the garbage. It is replaced with a Torrington fully complemented cam bearing. There are no spacers. It's all bearing on a bearing. The irony in this is that if you go to Harley and you tell them you want a Screaming Eagle bearing, this is what you get. So they know they have a problem. This is what comes in the motors. This is what goes back in them. And a little trick when you install them, always install them numbers out. We see them come in here all the time, put in backwards, and that is not your thrust surface. And you will damage this bearing and cause cam failure. So just a quick tip on that one.
Again, more questionable actions by Harley. Plastic and heat just don't mix. But we hope this video was helpful to you guys. Definitely got me thinking about upgrading my cam support plate and bearings and everything that's plastic on these M8s. But if you guys have any questions about anything you've seen in this video, shoot us an email to support@dkcustomproducts.com or leave us a comment below.
Y'all ride safe out there.